friends. Good evening. Today is the 4th of July, and today I'm going to talk about a trade on SBI, which I took yesterday. And my intention is to take you through the trade and whatever adjustments I do to the trade over the current series. I mean, till the end. The intention, of course, is to basically emphasize that option trading is not that risky if proper risk management has been adhered to. You know where the risks are, and you've made provisions to address that risk. So a lot of people say that options trading is very risky. There's a lot. People lose a lot of money in options trading. Yes, it's true. That's because a lot of people do options trading on a very ad hoc basis. They probably do naked options buying and selling and do not actually adhere to the risks that naked option buying or selling, exposes them to. So yes, if you're option selling, then definitely that's a very risky thing to do. But if you use proper option strategies, you can actually limit your losses. You can make you can enter into strategies which are limited loss strategies, or you can enter into strategies which are where the risks are known to you. That is basically. So the main thing, as you said, as you've already got the feeling of, is risk management. I've uttered the word risk, I think, more than 10 times in this couple of minutes. So as long as you are using proper risk management, adhering to that, options trading actually can be very profitable. So please keep that in mind. And so I'm going to talk to you about a trade which I did yesterday, and entered the trade when SBI was at a price of 583 rupees. This video, please do not take it as a recommendation on SBI or anything. The video, the intention of this video is completely educational purpose, and my intention, how during the entire month, how I adjust my positions to keep holding my trade, or maybe exit when the risk becomes too high for the trade. That is the entire purpose, and nothing else. It's definitely, please do not use this particular video to enter into any trade. With that disclaimer, if we can start. I entered this trade, like I said, yesterday when SBI was trading at 583. So I was, obviously, my view on SBI was bullish. So what I did was I entered the call, 585 call, at 13.2 rupees. And as you know, if I'm buying option, a premium, I have to pay out a premium. So to cover my premium, what I did was I sold the 595 call option at 8.9 rupees and sold the 610 option at 4.55 rupees. With this, what I did was I covered my entire cost of buying this 585 call. So basically, I actually had a net credit, a small net credit also on this particular trade. So how does this benefit me? So if SBI, instead of going higher, falls, then I'm completely protected. As you can see from this payoff diagram, I do not have any loss on this strategy. If SBI, instead of turning out to be bullish, it turns out to be bearish, I have no problems with this. I do not make money, and that's completely fine. I do not lose money also. But what happens if SBI continues to go up? See, till the time SBI is below is trading between 595 and 610, I actually make the maximum profit of around 10 points. And then after 610, my profit starts falling, and my break even is around 620. As you can see here, the break even mentioned here is at around 620. So now why I am so as you can see, after 620, it's an unlimited loss position. But why am I holding on to an unlimited loss position, or why am I still comfortable staying in this particular trade, even though it says unlimited loss after 620? So for this, let's visit the SBI charts. So if I visit the SBI charts, I can see this is the candle where I entered my position yesterday. This is the daily chart of SBI. And this is what happened today. So SBI actually has a pivot resistance at 593 levels. And then it has another pivot resistance at 615 levels. And if I were to, take it slightly over a longer time frame, SBI, at 620 levels is probably where there is another decent resistance. So not only that, if I actually see the options chain of SBI, if I go into the options chain and check out the SBI options chain, I can see that at the 600 level, the SBI has the highest call base. So till 600 levels are crossed, or I would actually not react. I mean, I would not make any adjustments to the trade. If 600 levels do get crossed, then of course my trade will be at a risk, and then of course I start making adjustments to that trade. What adjustments? It will depend on the market condition at that point of time. But till 600 levels are crossed, I would not touch my trade, the current trade that I am in right now. So so basically, what it means, what does the highest call base at 600 level means? This basically means that the the players, the big players who are using options to trade the SBI stock, is anticipating that this 600 levels would not be crossed during the month. So that is what it means. And basically, if you see here in the puts, on the put side, 570 is the level where the maximum open interest in the put base is at. So basically 570 to 600 is possibly the range that the market makers of SBI think it's going to, stay in for the rest of the month. Also, SBI generally doesn't come out with its quarterly results during the first month. So it's July, so it's probably going to come out with its quarterly results sometime in August, not before that. So that trigger of quarterly results also is not going to be present during this particular month. So with all these points in mind, I am still comfortable holding on to the trade, and we'll see where it goes. So the next time I will do, I will make a episode 2 of this video is when SBI probably breaches 600 levels, and I make some adjustments to the trade. So till the time, of course, you can actually watch the trade. You can this particular trade, uh, you can make it an obstra in your strategy builder and just watch it on a day-to-day basis and see how it's doing. Currently, it's at a loss of 2,000 rupees. I can show you my actual trades I've did on ICICI Direct. These are the trades. Yeah, it's along with the brokerage and everything. Currently, it's at a loss of 2,300 rupees. So that's all for now. Hope you like this video, and talk to you soon. Bye for now.